these leafcutter ants. So leafcutters are actually one of the more popular and really well-known organisms in the neotropics. Since being here day one, we've seen them in the city, in the rainforest, crawling up our legs and biting us. But they're really awesome because these guys are some of the only ants that are known to farm. So they don't actually eat the leaves that they collect. They farm fungus underground, so in these little holes right here. They grab foliage from all over the rainforest. They cut them up, just like you would see on a National Geographic documentary, and they take them down from the trees and they stick them in their holes and feed them to the fungus. So my group and I were considering subjects to do our research project on, and we stumbled upon these guys and we said, well, I wonder why they choose the leaf pieces that they do. So there's been a lot of research done on how they grab the leaves they do and why they grab the pieces, but we wanted to know about the toughness of the leaves. So there are a lot of different tree species and palm species, shrub species and grass species all throughout the neotropics, and we wanted to see why exactly it was that leafcutter ants chose the pieces that they did. So we thought maybe some leaves are tougher than others, maybe some leaves are harder to grab than others. So we found a bunch of different leafcutter nests. We took a bunch of samples of the leaves, like these guys right here. They don't like that. And we took the leaves from them. We analyzed the sizes of those leaves, and we wanted to compare them across the tougher and the less tough leaves. So in the end, we found that the less tough leaves and the tough leaves kind of were all around the same size. So some were bigger than others, some were smaller than others. But really there was no difference in the toughness of the leaves. So we thought that maybe there may be a lot of other things contributing to that. So some trees may provide poisons to the leaves that they may not like, so they're going to cut smaller ones, and then others may just be higher up or too far away, so they may cut smaller. But for now, we're not 100% sure why ants cut the way they do. It doesn't really fit optimal foraging theory, which just says that they're basically cutting smaller leaves for smaller energy loads and bigger leaves for bigger energy loads. Doesn't follow that, so we'll catch you next time with the rest of the Panamanian crew to see if we can figure out more about leafcutter ants. Buenos dias.
Cut.